So hello and welcome to this quick tutorial. This is the little animation from the whole banner animation that I have created, and I have created a whole tutorial where I explain how you can download the file, how you can adjust it in the Illustrator, later on how you can work with it in Adobe Animate, and later on how you can export it to work in Google Ads. And I'm going to provide you a link in the description to that tutorial, but in this tutorial I would like to only create the little animation. So right now I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing today. Alright, and right now I will show you the whole animation that I created. Very well, so I'm going to provide you a link for the long tutorial in the description, but I want you to keep in mind that in this tutorial we are going to only animate the wheels and we are not going to export this to Google Ads or nothing like that. So right now I will go to the Adobe Animate and I am going to drag my Illustrator file in here like so, and I am going to just hit import. Right now what I can do is I can click anywhere and I'm going to change the color of my background to maybe some kind of blue like so. Right now what I can do, if I want, I can select everything, and with Q, which is free transform tool, I can scale this like so, and maybe I can position it somewhere here. Right now I have 3 layers, so I will click on the car and I can see that it is in the below, so I'm going to rename that this is going to be car. But what I want to do right now is I would like to click on this wheel. I'm going to go with F8 or modified convert to symbol, and I can call this to be wheel 1. I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, and hit OK, and I will click on this one, F8, and this is going to be wheel 2. If I wanted, I could have created only one symbol and did something like duplicate this symbol in here, but I am not going to do it that way. And right now I can click on the car and I am going to click F8 and I am going to call this to be car like so. Very well. And right now what I am going to do is I am going to select everything like so, and one more time I will go to the modify, I will hit convert to symbol, and I'm going to write like something like whole car like so, and I'm going to click OK. And right now we are going to have only one layer, layer 2, which have something, and the rest of the layers are empty because you see that there is nothing, so I'm going to delete it. Like so. And right now if I click on my car, you can see that that it is a movie clip, and right now I am going to double click. So right now I am in the scene 1 in the whole car, and I am going to select everything like so. I will right click and I am going to choose distribute to layers. Right now we are going to have our 3 layers in here. So basically we have the main timeline where we have only the car, and then I can go inside and we have these three things in here. Right now what I'm going to do is I will go maybe to frame 150, it really doesn't matter, and on the car layer I will hit F5 or right click and insert frame, because we are not going to animate this. And on the wheel 1 and wheel 2 we will right click and choose insert keyframe, or the shortcut is F6. Right now I'm going to create classic twin, so I'm going to select these 2 layers like so. You can select 1 frame or you can select 100 frames. It doesn't change anything. I will right click and I'm going to create classic twin. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click anywhere on this layer, and I will go to this in the properties to this rotate. I'm going to choose clockwise, and there is this number. If you go with 1, I will hit Ctrl Enter. You will see that the rotation of the wheel is going to be very slow. So what I can do is maybe go with number like 7. Like so, and I will hit Ctrl Enter, and this is going to be rotating fast. You can see that right now it had some kind of effect that it is going backwards. it has something to do with that the animation is much faster than frames per second. So maybe I will try to go with 5 and I will see what looks fine for me. So I can go with this one, or maybe if I want to play, I can maybe try 6 and I will see. This also depends on how long is your animation. So I like the 6, so I'm going to do the same thing for this one, the wheel 2. So I will choose clockwise and I will choose that I want to have 6. Like so. I'm going to click Ctrl Enter, and yeah, we have something like this. So yeah, basically this is it. If you want to watch the whole tutorial where I explain also the part how you can publish this to Google Ads, and you can watch the part when I explain how to adjust this in Illustrator, I am going to provide you a link in the description for that tutorial. I just wanted to create a short tutorial like this. So thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in some next tutorial, and I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. So give a like, and yeah, take care. Goodbye.